What do you do now? This is often a real challenging point in the process. Where do you send your manuscript? Just as a kind of basic list of what the possibilities are. Mass market is an area, though it publishes many books, there aren't very many opportunities for you. When you're farther along in your career, there can be possibilities of getting work on assignment, essentially. But until you've actually generated some credits, probably not a lot of opportunities in mass market. Any questions about those kind of basic kinds of publishers? Yeah.
If I have a picture book and all those publishers, and let's say I do a handful of submissions, if I knew ahead of time that they wouldn't even be looking for that sort of content,
right?
Is there a way to narrow it down?
Yes. That's a good question. It does tell you. Let's just sort of move on to this as a tool. Children's Writers and Illustrators Market does tell you what kinds of books publishers publish. So if they don't publish picture books, you'll find that out in there. Okay. What it doesn't necessarily tell you is what kinds of picture books they publish.